Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use GoodRx. Now it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply open a browser, then just simply type in GoodRx, then open the first link. Now over here in the home page, just simply type in the name of the medicine that you want. Then a suggestion panel will appear in front of you. So if you want to change the name, you can do that, or just simply click on find the lowest price. So over here you will find few options. So just simply look down and see which one you want, then click on see price. Now over here you will find multiple options. So let's go with the first one, which is make your prescription. So click on the pencil icon over here. Now choose what you want. So click on the first option and over there you will find what brand and what medicine you are getting. Then in the second option, it is already fixed in my case because this medicine is only available in tablet. But in this option you can choose either you want in tablet, syringe, vial or etc. Now after that, doses. Click on that option. Choose which type of dose you want, either 500 mg or 1000 mg. It's totally up to you and it depends totally up to your medicine. And after that, the quantity. Choose what type of quantity you want. Choose that. Click on update. Now after that, just simply choose your location. So click on this option and enter your zip code over here, or just simply click on use my current location. So for me, I'm going to use zip code. So enter the zip code, then click on set location. Now wait for a few seconds, and now depending upon your location, all the nearest pharmacy will be available in that location. So over here what you can do now is just simply filter them with lowest price, or if you want to go with popularity you can also do that, just like that. So let's say you like some pharmacy or you have heard about it or you want to go to that pharmacy. So what you have to do is just simply click on get free savings, then if a pop-up appears, just simply close that. Now over here you find all the details. So now all you have to do is simply either print this information, email it to yourself or text. So what I would suggest you, just simply take a screenshot or just simply get a printout by clicking on print, then just simply get the printout and then just simply take the print to the pharmacy that is mentioned over here, and then you will get your medicine. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.